Hello. So, I want to talk to you guys about retouching again. I already have a couple of videos about my retouching process over on my YouTube channel, so if you guys want to check that out, it's all there. Anyway, I want to go over some of these self-portraits I decided to take a while ago. I just want to quickly go over how I got to this point of, clear skin, poreless, looks like I have makeup, but I really don't, and I want to show you the magic behind it. So the first thing I normally do when I do skin retouching is I assess how much work needs to be done. So right here, I want to point out that I have red patches and uneven skin tone. I have pimples and lots of blemishes, and my eyes look dead, and the entire image just lacks depth. After I assess the amount of work that needs to be done, I start the actual retouching process, which is I use the clone stamp tool, the patch tool, the spot healing tool, and basically all the other tools used to remove a person's pores. After that, I add more minor enhancements such as, whitening the whites of my eyes, and then I added more color to my lips because I looked pale as hell. And then boom. So this is where majority of the magic happens. The process of adding shadows and highlights definitely adds more to the photo because it makes the whole image look more 3D. I sometimes use the dodge and burn tool, but in this case I masked out using different adjustment layers. Here I used a lot of a lot of curves, and levels, basic exposure and all of that. So after that, that's pretty much done. I did all of the color grading over on Lightroom, and then I switched to Photoshop for more detailed work such as this one. So on the left, that was the entire process from start to finish, and then on the right, that's the final photo. All in all, it took me about a little over 3 hours to edit each photo because skin retouching and picking out all the pores, it's not a joke. So I want to move on to the next sample where I did the exact same thing. Only this time I had to add more greens because I kind of forgot to add more over in Lightroom when I color graded this image. Process was super similar to the first one where I took out all the blemishes first, and then I made my eyes whiter, my lips pinker, and then I added more depth to the face, and then bam, this is what we have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I most certainly did because I didn't know that I had that many pores on my nose. So it was pretty fun for me, and as usual, skin retouching for me is pretty therapeutic because I go into this trance-like state where I, just patch tool everything and then bam, and then magic. So anyway, I will wrap it up here and see you guys in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already at Seeking Sight. And if you have the time, you guys can go check out my website at I can never say that straight. www.rendonjunessa.com. Alright, that's it. Bye-bye.